start going down. Barely touch it. I love those call buttons.
Yeah. Shoot, packed though.
These cars have a slap-on mod on the inside, but we'll ride them anyway because they're glass.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be this one. Oh, and it passed me. Or no, it didn't. Sweet.
Oh, round two.
Hitachi? Let's go up to the roof.
Alright,
Oh,
here.
up. Oh, down. Okay.
There's a Saikaya and
Fujisawa.
what about call button?
Alright, hit B2. You can see these have a slap-on mod, but are otherwise fully original.
It's got sensors too.
Installed in 1978. It's very nice.
Yeah.
I'm going to assume the cab is original. I love that doorbell chime.
Yeah.
We'll give these a second ride, but we're not going to do too many because these are getting a fair amount of use.
Yeah.
Any leveling? None here.
Oh.
Hold the door real quick. I want to look at the call button. Look at that. Touch sensitive.
Yeah.
Yay, we made it past one.
Yeah.
Oh, look, and we're kind of racing the other one there. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
It just stopped.
More scenic elevators everywhere.
And we're going to end on one. Let me look at the call button up here.
階でございます。
I think we get off here, actually. There it goes. That'll be it.